Today I'm going to cover the three main components that can cause a runaway pot. The term refers to the instances the Deadman won't turn off. I'll show you how to troubleshoot the problem and what to do to fix it, coming up next. Welcome to this week's Primed Insight. It's almost a certainty that if your Deadman won't turn off, it's due to a valve failure. Here are the three most likely culprits in the order you'll want to check. To verify if it's the control valve causing the issue, remove the bottom signal line from the control valve and depress the Deadman. If air flows through the signal when the Deadman is released, the control valve is likely the cause. Here's our suggestion on the fix. If you have the right parts or a service kit available, you want to rebuild the valve. If you're in the field, however, and in a bind, we recommend removing the plunger, cleaning out the control valve, and lubricating the plunger with grease or chapstick if you're really in a mess before reassembling. We can't promise that this will work, but it's worth a try. If air doesn't flow through the signal when the Deadman is released, it's time to check the auto air valve. To verify if it's the auto air valve causing the issue, close the terra valve, shut off the ball valve to isolate the air. If air continues to exhaust without abrasive, the auto air valve is stuck in the open position due to debris or friction between the plunger and the stem of the assembly. Here's our suggestion on that fix. Once again, if you have a rebuild service kit, you'll want to rebuild the valve. If in the field and in a bind, however, remove the diaphragm and the puck stem from the auto air valve. Disassemble and clean. Utilize a dry lubricant for the stem, reassemble, and test. If the air ceases, then the auto air valve is closing. If air continues to flow, it's time to investigate the terra valve. To verify if the terra valve is causing the issue, release the Deadman. If abrasive streams out, the nozzle really rich, without any pressure to increase velocity, the terra valve is not closing. Here's our suggestion on fixing this. Of course, rebuild the valve if you have a kit. But if you're in the field with no kit, disassemble the valve. Dust and debris could be causing the plunger to stick open. Clean out and spray the plunger with a dry lubricant. Do not use grease because it can cause more of a buildup. If abrasive flow and air stops, both the terra valve and the auto air valve are working appropriately. If none of these three suggestions fix the issue, give us a call. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. See you next week.